Want to remove your profile picture on Life360? Let's make it disappear in no time. First, open Life360 app on your device. Now tap on your profile picture. Once you are inside your profile settings, tap on your photo again. You'll see an option that says remove photo or delete photo. Tap on it, confirm when prompted, and your profile will revert back to the default avatar. It's quick and simple, right? If you don't see the remove option, you might need to upload a new picture first, then remove it. Weird, but it works. If you still can't remove it, try logging out and back in. Sometimes it refreshes the settings. Did you manage to clear it out? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.